Welcome back to Underwater Math. I'm Zuba, and this is my friend Kazi. Today we are working on adding fractions using models. Come along. Kazi and I love cantaloupe. We each ate a fraction of a cantaloupe as shown by this model here. I ate 5/12ths of a cantaloupe, and Kazi ate 2/4. What fraction of one cantaloupe did we eat together? To solve this problem, we need to add together the fraction I ate and the fraction Kazi ate. However, we can't add 5/12ths and 2/4 because they don't have a common denominator. We need to find an equivalent fraction for 2/4 in order to have a common denominator. Let's use our model to help us. Since 12 is a multiple of 4, we should have a spot where 4ths and 12ths line up perfectly. I see it here. 2/4 lines up perfectly with 6/12, meaning 2/4 is equivalent to 6/12. I can replace this in our expression, and now we can solve. 5/12 plus 6/12 equals 11/12. Kazi and I ate 11/12 of the cantaloupe. Great job. Let's try one more. Kazi, do you want to work through this one?
Sure, thanks Zuba. We have been out exploring our land. I have explored 2/9 of the area, and Zuba has explored 4/6. How much of the land have we explored together? We can use this fraction grid to help us. Remember, we need a common denominator in order to add fractions. Let's find the 6ths and the 9ths on the fraction grid. Next, let's mark off where 4/6 and 2/9 are. I see that 4/6 lines up perfectly with 6/9, which means these two fractions are equivalent. I can change out my 4/6 to 6/9 so I have a common denominator. 6/9 plus 2/9 equals 8/9. Zuba and I have explored 8/9 of our land.
Great explanation, Kazi. We think you are ready to practice on your own. Have fun.